Imagine waking up one morning to find that the sun has vanished. Instead, a black hole sits in its place. What would happen to Earth and life as we know it? This might sound like a scene from a science fiction movie, but it's an interesting thought experiment that helps us understand both black holes and our dependence on the sun. First, let's clear up a common misconception. Replacing the sun with a black hole of the same mass would not immediately hurl Earth into oblivion. The gravitational pull of a black hole with the same mass as the sun would be identical to the sun's. Thus, Earth would continue its orbit as if nothing had changed, at least for a while. But what about the sunlight? The sun's rays take about 8 minutes to reach Earth. If the sun suddenly became a black hole, the light we see would vanish after those 8 minutes. The world would be plunged into darkness, and the familiar warmth of the sun would be gone forever. This immediate loss of sunlight would have profound effects on our planet. The sudden darkness would be the first, most noticeable change, altering the very fabric of life on Earth. As we've established, the gravitational pull of a black hole with the same mass as the sun would not change Earth's orbit. Our planet would continue to circle this new, invisible center of our solar system. The laws of physics dictate that gravity depends on mass and distance, not the form that mass takes. So, in terms of gravity, it would be as if the sun were still there. This might seem reassuring at first, however, the absence of sunlight would have dire consequences. The sun is not only a source of light, but also a vital provider of energy. Without it, the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth would be disrupted. The loss of sunlight would mean that photosynthesis could no longer occur. Plants, which rely on this process to convert sunlight into energy, would begin to die. Without plants, herbivores would soon follow, and the entire food chain would collapse. In this new, darkened world, the stability provided by the sun's light and heat would be gone, leaving Earth to face a future very different from the one we know. The immediate loss of sunlight would have catastrophic effects on Earth's climate. The planet would begin to cool rapidly without the sun's warmth. Day by day, temperatures would drop, plunging Earth into a frigid darkness. In just a few days, the surface would become unbearably cold for most life forms. The ocean